Hi, I'm Jaime from Spotahome. I'm gonna show you a two-room apartment located in Kreuzberg. Let's start the video tour. Here we are. This is the main door. You can call the lift through this bottom. You can speak with the visitors. And here is the flat. Here you have the bedroom, living area, and the kitchen. Here you have the bathroom, and you have here the laundry room or storage room. Here you have the laundry. You have this machine that purifies the water, so make your laundry softer. Here is the bathroom. You have a bath tube and shower as well. And here is the bedroom. You have a double bed and a closet. Here is you can close the doors with this. Look. And this is the living area. You have this terrace. This is the kitchen. You have this huge TV, these two sofas. You have a stereo system, printer, and the kitchen is fully equipped. You have here an oven, and I guess this is a microwave. These are the stoves, cutlery, dishwasher, pans, pots. You have this American fridge. You have here ice and water, and you can leave here your drinks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you on spotahome.com. Ciao!